Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to make any column unique. So the column shouldn't include any duplicate values. So for that we have to add a constraint to it, and the statement would be alter table name, add constraint, then the constraint's name, and then unique. So the keyword is unique, and then in the brackets you have to enter the column's name, which is video underscore key in our case. So alter table name, add constraint, and then the constraint name, and then unique. Then in the brackets you have to enter the column's name. So once you are done with that, just run it, and then the column will have that constraint unique. So if you will try inserting values, so let's say if you're trying to insert the value to the table, and here we have inserted some values to the table, and if you'll run it, you will see that okay, we have this one row, and if you'll try to insert the same data again, it would cause an issue that there is the duplicate entry that is being tried to insert, so it won't work. So this is the benefit of using or making the column unique. It won't contain any duplicate data in any of the rows, so that is very important. So this is how you add the constraint unique to the column, which you didn't when you were creating the table.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.